You're doing a great job. Yeah? This is Lightship Chesapeake. It's like a floating lighthouse.
You can answer all their questions.
We left our strollers away over there.
I'll keep an eye on
Hi
that.
there. Thank you.
Enjoy it. Come aboard.
You have paused the flow traffic down there at some point.
Is this saleable or just kind of stays
It's
here?
too old, unfortunately.
Okay, got it.
That green and white one. That's what we were on. We went up and walked and took our picture by the mast.
Do you remember which country boat is that?
That's Columbia.
Yeah, I was just asking.
Yes.
Do you remember the name of the boat? Gloria.
The Gloria.
Yeah. It's a beautiful ship.
She is.
And even like, did you visit the Peru one?
They're all beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, the rainbow is what
This is good.
If you look right there, you go to my fire.
Malavi, I'm going below the deck.
your suite can do several two windows, a wider berth that's only 2 high. That's nice. The windows are just
That was the reparation that they did.
Yes. That's all for.
I'm in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like it.
That's the anchor. No, that's the line for the anchor. So then that's the motor to pull it off the bottom.
Where's she going?
There's another room up here.
So Dominic,
Wait up.
this was
Hey.
this was their fridge.
Wait up.
They called
Wait
it a
up.
chill box back in the day.
Wait up.
But they call it.
They still call it a chill box.
That's the kitchen.
It's a term.
It's cool down here.
It's a military term.
So I just reread it and stuff, but that's what it is. I stopped to read one of the things. And I
The
remember.
difference from the sub.
Oh yeah.
Say, excuse me. Oh, you want to look out? Sorry.
It smells like oil.
Doing a good job, guys. Turn around and go down like a ladder.
I feel so motion sick.
Can I go there? Thank you.
Sweetie, that's not very safe. Good job. Turn around and come down like a ladder.
So this would probably be like the officer's mess?
Yeah, but so this is the office.
Oh yeah, right there.
Good job, everybody. Let's say you're turning around and going down like a ladder.
Let's open and do that on it.
Good job.
You love how you can notice it's slightly tilted.
Did you see that?
Guys, get skinny and let people by. There's another group. Good job. Yep, just come down like a ladder. Good job.
Yeah. And this is where they don't work.
You are too.
misspoke.
Yeah, yeah. That's called karma, my guy. Come here, Bill. After making fun of me.
I get why now. They just show up out of nowhere.
Stationary at the
You know, why does it feel like these submarines are a lot more considerate than the actual boats? Careful. Like, what the heck is this?
I'm going down backwards. Holy moly. Woo.
Watch it.
Sorry.
Yeah, watch it. Come on. There you go.
I'm going for the ship today, okay? You want to do the whole ship? You know what that's like going to the platform.
Oh, there we go. I got it. Get that second one.
It looks like the ships are not built for tall people.
Yeah.
Don't talk to your mom like that.
I will beat you. Oh, there you go.
She's allowed to too.
I got papers that say so.
Be like sad then. Okay, there.
All the way down. Hold on to the railing. I got you. Okay, I got you. Good? Alright, please step over. There you go. We already went that way. Big step.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you had fun.
Yep. And why did they put the sail even though they have the diesel engine downstairs? I mean, the sail post, right? This is a sail.
Oh no, that's for the light bulb, the light that we have at the top, see our 15 kilowatt light.
Ah, so that's not for sail. Okay, got it.
We
So
might have
this-
like raised small flags on some of the rigging on the ship, but we wouldn't have actually had sails.
Sails, okay.
You're correct about the engines.
Thank you. Okay.